Huh? Huh?
Go Falcon, go what?
Oh, go Falcon, go. I guess I wonder if I can turn this. I know they don't like you to. Well, see what happens as the rocket. Oh, shoot. Boy, is that TV slow. It's already way up there. TV's about 30 seconds behind. There it is from my front door. And the rocket's supposed to go down. Whoops. Come on, focus. Focus. Hey, Tony. Love retirement. You will too. Oh, you disappeared. Ah. It's going to ride out there today. But after 5 tries. Okay. So it just cut off. Going to go up a while. God, we can see this pretty good. And it's going to fall. I don't know. We won't be able to see it land from here. Whoops. I guess I got to... Not sure what's going on. Not sure what's going on. That doesn't look right. Tell me if I'm wrong. Because I can't walk that far away from the internet. Oh no, that's just the one booster probably. That's the one that's going to come down. That's the one going in. Fucking dogs. Well, let's see if we bring it in a little bit. Whoops. Where'd he go? We've lost it all. Yeah, there's something up there. I see the one up there. Up, up, up. There it is. Look at there. Zoom, zoom. Keeps going. Why, it's going high. What's it doing, hon?
Huh?
What's it doing? I lost it. I think I see it, huh?
Did you lose it again?
Oh, there it is. See it up there? Is that the one that's going to come back down? It still looks like it's shooting every now and then, like the correct. I guess that's what's coming down now. That's going to land. Hey, Tony. Yeah, we should have drove out there. It's coming down, right? Where's the other one coming down? The other one went to the right. Whoops. I gotta focus back in on that. Where is it? I knew I should have put this on a tripod. Oh wait, it's way up there. It is, I swear. Wait, let me zoom out. No, there it is, there it is. That's what's supposed to come down, I think. My arms are getting tired. It's a long story. Zoom, and it's... I see it. There it is, there it is. It's trying to come down. See it, Donna? I am on camera. I don't know how to bring you all on camera. I'm lucky I could stand still. It's coming down. It's coming. Yeah, I know. There'll be more. Here it comes. Oh, there it goes, Donna. Here it comes. Look at, check this out, my front yard. Whoops. I lost them again.
Well,
Huh?
well,
Well, wait, come on. Hang on, I gotta move. Ugh. Get some blood moving in my back. You should be going off again.
maybe we'll hear it land.
Here, it's supposed to hear a sonic boom.
8 minutes after.
I don't see it. It's down low now. See it? I think that's it down low over the house. See it, Donna? Over the
No.
5 degree above the. Look, see the dull orange?
No,
See the
that's
orange?
not it. That's been there.
Oh, has it?
Yes.
Okay, my bad. Well, we might have to go look at the TV and watch the rest of it.
Come on, let's go.
I'd like to see it go up again. Anyway, that's it from my house. See ya.